Hello friends, welcome back to Flavors on My Dastagban. Today I will be sharing with you a recipe called Aaloo ki Biryani Sabzi or Aaloo, or it's like my daily potato curry recipe. So basically this is a traditional recipe that is made in my home. It is traditional to my region and I make it using two onions. I take two diced medium-sized onions which I've diced and four medium-sized potatoes to make this recipe. In spices, I'm taking a 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Of course, you want your potatoes to be slightly spicy. Now, in a pot, I have taken half a cup of mustard oil and I'm frying my onions. However, you can take any vegetable oil. It doesn't have to be a mustard oil. Traditionally, this recipe is made in mustard oil, and that's why I've chosen mustard oil to make this recipe. Now, I'm just going to slice my onions. Now, these onions will be comparatively compared to your normal curry. This will be thinly sliced, but not your chips thin. It will not be as thin as your potato chips. It will be slightly thicker inside. As you can see this here. These are thin, but not as thin as your chips. So this is exactly how you cook this. You can make it with the curry style, but that does not taste as good as this would taste. All you do is that when after you brown the onions, you just add these potatoes to this with the spices and salt and start cooking this, sauteing it. This is this is a really easy dish to make. It is usually made for breakfast, and traditionally it's made for breakfast. And you add water over here to sort of dissolve the onions. Now the key here is, as in all curries, is that you need to add water little by little. Do not add a lot of water, because if you add a lot of water at once, what happens is that it kind of drastically reduces the temperature of the curry and it takes longer time to cook. So when you add water little by little, it's like the parched onions absorb the water and they sort of dissolve in it, so it's faster to cook. And of course, it does not reduce the temperature drastically. Now this is it. You just kind of saute it and let this cook, and adjust the gravy by adding enough water when you want it, when it is about to get ready, and that's it. Let it cook, and this is what it is. It's just as simple as this, and that's all. I served it with parathas. You can have it with roti, aloo roti, and khubuz. I also have had it with it. It is absolutely delicious. It's really easy to make. I hope you will try this. Do let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.